Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll show you how to install TikTok on your Android phone. Let's get straight into it. I'm starting on the home screen of my Android phone. The first thing I need to do is open the Google Play Store. You'll see the Play Store icon shown on my home screen, but if you can't find it on your phone, don't worry. Simply tap the Google search bar at the bottom of the screen, search for Play Store, and then you can open the Play Store app directly from the results returned. I'm going to return to my home screen, however, and open the Play Store from there instead. Once the Play Store is opened, I want to search for the TikTok app. To do that, I'll tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, I'll tap the search bar shown at the top of this new page, and I'll type TikTok as one word. I'll then tap the search key. You'll notice there are two versions of TikTok returned in the search results, TikTok Lite and TikTok. TikTok Lite is a smaller version designed for older phones or slower internet connections. For most people, you'll want to install the standard TikTok app as it includes all of the features, and that's the version I'll be installing in this guide. To install it, all I need to do is tap the install button. TikTok will now download to my phone. Depending on your internet connection, this might take up to a minute to complete. But once the app has finished downloading, Android will install it automatically onto your phone. You'll know this process is finished when the Open button appears next to the TikTok app. I'll tap on Open to launch the TikTok app for the first time. You may need to accept the terms and conditions before continuing. You can then sign in to an existing TikTok account or create a new account if you don't already have one. I'm now going to close TikTok and return to my home screen. You'll notice that the TikTok app isn't currently shown here. A quick way to add it is to swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app drawer. The app drawer contains all of the apps installed in your phone. I'll search for TikTok, and when the TikTok app appears, I'll press and hold the app for a couple of seconds. This then allows me to drag that app onto my home screen. And that's all there is to it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Woggle Guides for free. Thanks for watching, and do look after yourself until next time.